unlock the Alex. He's building another one. He's gonna go 8s up there too.
This is honestly just like a test run because the car, I'm taking it to Sebring. Yeah. So I just want to like vlog the whole thing, like getting the car ready, driving the car there, all that stuff.
Yeah,
Well, fucking
great,
bad,
bro.
Because I was walking.
You had to bring the wheels home, right?
Yes, we gotta go get them before 5.
Okay. Put them on my wagon.
We got time.
What wheels? The BBS's?
Yeah.
You can see the fucking
actual
reflection.
reflection of the tree and see what kind of tree it is.
Mm-hmm.
It ain't gonna be perfect. It's gonna look better.
It's gonna look better. There's gonna be some sheen to the car, but
for sure.
definitely due for a repaint.
Yeah, bro.
A reskin for sure.
Y'all showed the supervisor?
Oh, the supervisor?
Yeah, the supervisor.
Say hey. Say hi.
Bro, I just want to talk, bro. I swear I'm not gonna hurt you, bro.
Bro, get away from me.
Bro, just give me a hug, bro.
Bro, get away.
Please, bro.
Yo,
Bro,
hug me down here,
bro,
bro.
get away, bro. Bro, get away from me.
Bro, this is
Get away from me.
Yo, the beer.
There we go. All right. Bro, it sounds crazy at night.
She going down before everybody.
saw that guy's
Who?
Bro, the guy riding the scooter, he had his kid following him. And nigga was like, bro, what the